Maybe it's time to let the old ways die. Maybe it's time to let the old ways die. Takes a lot to change a man, hell it takes a lot to drive. Maybe it's time to let the old ways die. No one knows what waits for the day. No one knows what waits for the day. Some folks, they just believe in the things they've heard and what they've read. No one knows what waits for the day. I'm glad I can't go back to where I came from. I'm glad those days are gone, they're gone for good. If I had to take some spirits from my past and bring them here, you know I would, you know I would. No one speaks to God these days. No one speaks to God these days. I'd like to think he's looking down and laughing at her way. No one speaks to God these days. When I was a child, they tried to fool. Said the worldly man was lost and hell was real. But I've seen hell in Reno, and this world's one big old Catherine wheel, spinning still. Maybe it's time to let the old ways die. Maybe it's time to let the old ways die. It takes a lot to change your mind, and a train to change your mind. Maybe it's time to let the old ways die. Maybe it's time to let the old